Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a Easter decoration. This origami carrot is a very easy model. It has this compartment where you can put things inside, like candies for example. And the only material needed is a square piece of paper. In this video I'm using a larger square of 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, but you can use a smaller size. Our first step is to fold it in half along both diagonals, making an X. So bring one corner to the other. Reinforce the crease. And then unfold. Fold the opposite diagonal. Unfold. Now flip the paper over. Fold in half, horizontally and vertically. First horizontally by bringing the bottom side to the top. Then vertically, bringing the right side to the left. Turn it over again, and using these lines we made, push the four corners towards the center, closing the paper like this. Leave two flaps on each side, and reinforce it a bit. With the open side down, on the first flap on the right side, we'll take the top diagonal and bring it to the middle. Now let's do the same with the bottom diagonal. Following the same logic, we need to fold the smaller side here. Now unfold the previous step, open the bottom layer, and flatten the smaller part using the creases we made. With this finished on the right side, let's repeat the same with the left. So, as before, fold the top diagonal, then the bottom side, fold the smaller edge, then unfold, open the first layer, and bring the paper down, leaving it open like this. With that done on the two sides, fold the middle corner up Okay, with this side done, let's turn the paper over and repeat exactly the same thing with the other two flaps. Fold the corner up as well, then close the paper, leaving it open on the other two sides. Fold the bottom edges to the center using the existing diagonals. Then fold the remaining corner up. Turn it over. Repeat the same thing with the other side. Once done, our final step is to open the paper. Then bring these green flaps up a little. And now our Easter carrot is ready! If you want to make a little basket too, you can check out the video on the description, the link in the comments, or on this card up here. I hope you like it, thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!